Hey guys, we're here in Hinton, West Virginia to compete in the 24 Hours of Appalachia Hinton Rally. This rally consisted of 4 different stages, 2 loops that repeated themselves, 2 easy, 2 hard. We brought 3 vehicles out for this event. 2 of them actually actively participated. One of them, unfortunately, did not finish. To the left of us, we have our white Bronco Raptor that ran in B class and finished 2nd overall. They did a wonderful job, really happy with the result. They only took a little bit of damage. That was Jared, Jack, Dick, and Amir. They actually ended up mid-pack in Group A. Who knows how they would have actually done if they ran Group A. Really proud of what they were able to accomplish. They finished 2nd in their class and 5th overall. Myself and Jonathan ran A class in the Ineos Grenadier. This was kind of a whole new experience for us. We were on a completely different setup. We had adjustable control arms to be able to correct our geometry. We had stiffer sway bars and springs from Eibach. But we kind of started off on a rough note. Pretty much immediately into the first stage of the rally, we noticed that the vehicle didn't want to turn. It was because the front sway bar end links decided to leave the track. We were still able to keep ourselves in 1st, 2nd, 3rd place for the majority of the rally through 1st stage, 2nd stage, into 3rd stage. Into 3rd stage, we were leading our class quite a healthy margin as we transitioned into Section 4. Unfortunately, Section 4 ended up being the last of the sections we ran as we experienced a catastrophic rapid disassembly of some of the rear axle componentry that prevented us from going on further. At that point, we couldn't continue. The vehicle was beyond any kind of realm of safe operation capability. It happened about 25 miles from the finish line while we had about an hour lead up on 2nd place. Overall, really happy with me and Jonathan's performance and the ability to actually drive a rig that was heavily damaged at the pace we were going in 1st place ahead of much healthier competition. We will be back. We're going to rebuild. We're going to make this thing work. Prove that the Grenadier can be the vehicle that we know it can be.